Hey guys, a little Fundrise update. Please click the like and subscribe. Show some support and show me that there's value in this to you so I can continue doing these videos. I really love doing these videos for me, but if nobody out there is getting value from them, then I might as well make them private, and so I can look at them in the future. But again, like and subscribe. Show me some love. Anyways, let's get into the Fundrise account. And so this account, I'm currently at $3,050. And what I like about Fundrise is I basically set my amount and forget it. This is not active income at all. And what they started here not too long ago was where you can basically pick the goal that you want. So my goal was 250,000 in about 15 years that I want to get out of this account, and then it'll let you know if you're on track to hit that goal and what you need to know. So basically, to hit that goal, I need to invest $597 per month to hit that goal. Currently, I'm on track for 257, so I'm above and beyond that goal. And so if I can keep and maintain, that is what I'll have, and this is completely passive income on this one. So a little bit about what they've done lately. I'm in the long-term growth fund, by the way. So a couple of the different things. They bought, in the past couple of weeks, they bought a few things in DC where they're going to basically flip them and get a profit return on them. They're going to renovate them. Put a $100,000-$200,000 in it, then they're gonna flip it for a couple $100,000 profit. And then in LA, what they're doing is recent acquisitions is they're buying rental homes, long-term rental homes, and as the value goes up, they'll sell them down the road. The most recent one is a construction update in Los Angeles. And they broke ground on those. So, again, guys, this one's a quick update. This one, there's not much to talk about because I'm really not doing any work. I'm just putting my money in here and enjoying what the money is going into. And so far, I really enjoy the projects they're doing. And if it's something in real estate, I would love to be doing this. And in this, with Fundrise, I can be a small part of what they are doing, and they're the experts, so much more of an expert than me in real estate, so I enjoy that part of it. Again, if you guys want to get involved in this one, I will keep a link down below where you can get involved in Fundrise, and yeah, thanks. I'm probably going to do another video today on M1 Finance, on showing you how the portfolio is going on that. But this is my video on Fundrise. I appreciate the watches. Take care, guys. Bye.